how to cook rice using microwave and not rice cooker. You know, when we travel, sometimes it's quite hard to get halal food. So today we're going to cook rice. So we bought some rice from the grocery store and the beefless strip. So this is actually a vegan meal. So we start with number one, how to cook the rice. So put the rice into the cup. So today me and my friend is going to have dinner. So I'm going to cook 2 cups of the rice. Cup number 2. We then need to wash the rice. So we'll wash the rice until the water becomes clear, and then before putting it into microwave, we need to put some water in. So just now we've put 2 cups of rice. So I'm going to put 2 1/4 cup of water. So we're going to put the rice into the microwave. So we put the rice into the microwave and set the microwave for 7 minutes. So the rice is ready. It was now 7 minutes. Let's see what happened to our rice.
The water jumping. You can see there's still water, so we're just gonna mix the rice. And put it back in the microwave for another 5 minutes.